bugs sometimes, and they have a gas stove, and so you have like flames underneath the pot, and it scares me.
I like
Sam,
it.
you just stirred
I like the way they
this.
cook.
Some tea.
Yeah, better than electric, you can have more control over the heat. That's what I always said too.
Well, let's see, I think we had it over the bowl, so let's
Yeah,
just
ready.
see.
How are we doing over here? We got everything.
I set the timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes for the marshmallows. Wow. that
Okay, you're
looks
being
good.
recorded, family, so don't say anything you don't want anyone else to see on the internet.
Shut up, not say anything.
You bet.
Now go quiet.
I'm trying to think of what I should say.
Yes.
Oh, we don't want me singing on there.
We'll share this with Victoria so she's knows what she's missing. And Christian.
Yeah, sounds like she's getting spoiled wherever Nani took her to the American Girl doll store up there, factory or whatever it's called.
Yes.
So I'm gonna take drink orders. We have lemonade, we have sweet tea, we have Diet Coke or water. So we have one sweet tea, we won't pour the drinks by the way, you guys. Larry, you want sweet tea and lemonade? Just tea? And how about you, Mom?
Lemonade be good.
Lemonade, so 2 teas, a lemonade. How about you, Becky?
Diet Coke.
Diet Coke? Alright. We have 2 Diet Cokes, 2 teas, a lemonade, yeah. 2 lemonades. Becca, what are you gonna do? What? Drinks, lemonade, sweet tea, Diet Coke.
Probably go with sweet tea.
3 sweet teas, 2 Diet Cokes, 2 lemonades. So I did you